If your phone is slow, this simple mistake could be the reason. Many people never realize this. But cached files slowly build up, and they make your phone lag over time. Let me show you the correct and safe way to fix it. First, open your phone settings. Now, go to Apps and Notifications. Select the app you use most. Tap on Storage. Here, you will see two options. Clear cache, but do not clear data. Clearing data can log you out and delete important app files. After clearing the cache, restart your phone once. You should notice smoother performance. If this helped you, follow the channel for daily tech fixes. Thanks for watching.